Hello everyone, welcome to Cybernova, where I share tips and tricks on ethical hacking and cybersecurity. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install Nethunter on your device. Nethunter is a custom Android ROM that turns your phone into a powerful hacking machine. You can use Nethunter to perform various penetration testing tasks such as wireless network tracking, web application scanning, network sniffing, and more. Before we begin, I want to warn you that installing Nethunter on your device may void your warranty and you may lose your data if something goes wrong. So, please proceed with caution and at your own risk. I'm not responsible for any damage or loss that may occur to your device or data. To install Nethunter on your device, you will need a compatible device with an unlocked bootloader. I'll show how to unlock bootloader in this tutorial, so don't worry if you don't know how to unlock bootloader. I'll be using OnePlus 6 for this demonstration, but this demonstration will work on most of the devices. You will need a computer with ADB tools installed. You can download ADB tools from XDA or you can get platform tools from Android official site. You will need a USB cable to connect your device to your computer. And then you will need the following files downloaded on your computer and copied to your device. You will need to download TWRP image for your device. You can download it from their official site. If your device is not officially supported, you can get it from XDA. And then you will need a Magisk zip file for rooting your device. You can download it from their GitHub page. And then you will need Nethunter zip file for installing Nethunter on your device. You can download it from Kali Linux official website. So once you have everything ready, let's get started. First, install all the drivers for your device on your computer. And then install ADB tools on your computer. If you are using platform tools, extract it and copy TWRP image file to that folder. Launch PowerShell from Start menu. If you are using platform tools, open platform tools folder and launch a command prompt window by pressing Shift plus right click and selecting Open PowerShell window here or Open Command window here. On your device, go to Settings, About Phone and tap on Build number 7 times to enable developer options. Go back to Settings, Systems, Developer Options and enable OEM unlocking, USB debugging and advanced reboot. Connect your device to your computer using USB cable and allow USB debugging if prompted. On the command prompt window, type ADB devices and press enter. This will show you the list of devices connected to your computer. Make sure your devices is detected and authorized. Then type ADB reboot bootloader and press enter. This will reboot your device into fast boot mode. Type fast boot devices and press enter. This will show you the list of devices connected to your computer in fast boot mode. Make sure your device is detected. Type fast boot OEM unlock and press enter. This will unlock bootloader of your device. You will see a warning message on your device screen and two options: unlock bootloader or do not unlock bootloader. Use the volume buttons to navigate and select unlock bootloader option and press power button to confirm. This will wipe all the data on your device and restart it. Complete the initial setup on your Android device and then again enable developer options, USB debugging, and advanced reboot in settings. Connect your device to your computer again using USB cable and allow USB debugging if prompted. On the command prompt window, type adb reboot bootloader and press enter. This will reboot your device into fast boot mode again. Type fastboot boot twrp.img and press enter. This will boot your device into TWRP mode. On the TWRP recovery screen, tap on Advanced, then flash Current TWRP. This will flash TWRP as your permanent recovery on your device. Once it's done, tap on Reboot and then System. This will reboot your device into Android system. Rename Magisk app file into a zip file by adding .zip extension at the end of the file name. And copy downloaded Nethunter zip file and Magisk zip file to your Android smartphone. Long press the power button and tap on a recovery option. This will reboot your device into TWRP recovery mode again. On the TWRP screen, tap on Install and locate and select Magisk zip file that you copied earlier. Then swipe to confirm flash. This will install Magisk on your device and root it. Once it's done, tap on Reboot and then System. This will reboot your device into Android system. Open Magisk app on your device. You'll need an internet connection when you launch Magisk for the first time. It will download the latest update and install the app. Then open Magisk app again and tap on install. Select direct install option and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, tap on reboot. This will reboot your device again. Long press the power button and tap on recovery option. This will reboot your device into TWRP recovery mode again. On the TWRP screen, tap on install and locate and select Nethunter zip file that you copied earlier. Then swipe confirm to flash. This will install Nethunter on your device. It will take some time to install Nethunter. Take a break and come back after 20 to 25 minutes. You'll get a message saying Nethunter installation complete upon successful installation. Tap on Reboot and then System. This will reboot your device into Android system. You'll have to install Nethunter app from Nethunter store once it's installed. Grant root privilege to that app. That's it. You have successfully installed Nethunter on your device. Congratulations! Now you have turned your phone into a hacking machine. You can launch Nethunter app and explore various ethical hacking tools and features that it offers. You can also access the Nethunter terminal and run Linux commands on your device. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching and happy hacking.